3, 2, 1.
In the movie Doctor. No, the doctor heads what organization? The answer is C. SPECTRE. What color is a standard ruler? The answer is A. Red. Which of these is best for cooling your mouth if you have just eaten very spicy food? The answer is D. Mild. What song is Sam playing when Rick hides the letters of transit in the movie classic Casablanca? The answer is A. Knock on Wood. Which movie won the Academy Award for Best Picture in 2003? The answer is A. The Lord of the Rings: The Return of the King. Which computer was known as the Brain? The answer is C. IBM PC. What is the largest desert by area on Earth? The answer is A. Sahara. What type of fruit is often used to make chutney? The answer is C. Mango. What is the name of Van Gogh's famous self-portrait with a bandaged ear? The answer is D. Self-portrait with bandaged ear. Which of the following languages is written from right to left? The answer is A. Arabic. Which item is typically found in a purse or wallet? The answer is A. Money. What helps push the fetus from the uterus during birth? The answer is D. Contractions. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water above and below the surface of the planet. What is this process also known as? The answer is A. Hydrologic cycle. Which astronomer had a metal nose? The answer is C. Tycho Brahe. Which furniture piece did Le Corbusier design with Pierre Jeanneret? The answer is C. Coffee table. Who was the first baseball player to be named Rookie of the Year? The answer is A. Jackie Robinson. Which sea otter behavior is learned? The answer is B. Cracking open clams with a rock. What structures include the vagina, uterus, ovaries, and fallopian tubes? The answer is A. Reproductive. Who played the role of Ferris Bueller in the movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off? The answer is A. John Cusack. What do you call a mirror shaped like the inside of a bowl? The answer is D, concave. Which animal has a long neck? The answer is A, giraffe. What did the archaic term Prithi mean? The answer is B, an interjection used to express a polite request. What is the mean temperature on the surface of Mercury? The answer is A, 333 degrees Fahrenheit / 167 degrees
Which type of
Celsius.
light
Has wavelength between visible light and X-rays? The answer is C, ultraviolet. In which stage does the chromatin condense into chromosomes? The answer is B, prophase Roman II. Who holds the record for fastest typing speed 20 minutes? The answer is B, Stella Pagina. What is the name of the first artificial satellite launched by humans? The answer is C, Sputnik 1. Light reactions also release oxygen gas as a what? The answer is D, waste product. Which programming language is based on horn clauses? The answer is A, Prolog. What is the name of the elegant, high culture world that geisha are a part of in Japan? The answer is A, the flower and willow world. What encloses the border of animal cells? The answer is D, plasma membrane. Banging on a drum is an example of which type of energy? The answer is A, mechanical. Which movie set in World War II focuses on two snipers trying to kill each other during the Battle of Stalingrad? The answer is D, Enemy at the Gates. Living organisms are affected by changes in pH, which can include basic conditions and what other kinds of conditions? The answer is B, acidic. Who screamed the now famous words, "Struck him out, struck him out"? The Mets have won the World Series. The answer is C, Bob Murphy. What is the term Scientologists use to describe an immortal spiritual being? The answer is A, a thetan. Which bird cannot walk? The answer is B, penguin. How can we see that refracting sunlight causes light to split into different colors? The answer is C, setting a diamond outside on a bright day. Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system, is the ruling planet of which astrological sign? The answer is B. Sagittarius. The Kuroshio Current is found in which ocean?
The answer is C. Pacific Ocean.
Which author wrote Second Foundation? The answer is B. Isaac Asimov. If you wanted to be able to look at the stars, the planets, and the moon more closely, what should you use? The answer is A. Telescope. Which of the following likely occurs in nature? The answer is C. Pools evaporate. Which fashion trend was popular in the Victorian era? The answer is A. Corsets. Where in the world is corn originally from? The answer is B. Central America. Which type of jacket has large lapels and no collar? The answer is A. Blazer. Which sports brand is associated with the marketing slogan "Impossible is nothing"? The answer is A. Adidas. Who invented blue jeans? The answer is A. Levi Strauss. In the popular sitcom Family Guy, Chris has what kind of animal living in his closet which constantly torments him? The answer is B. An evil monkey. What was Christine Jorgensen most famous for?